everyone. How are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine and having a wonderful day. So, first of all, a very warm welcome to all of you watching this video right now. Whether you are a regular viewer or you are watching for the first time, I'm really happy that you are here with me today. Seriously, it means a lot. You know what, before we start with today's topic, I just want to have a small chat with you all. Just like friends sitting together and talking, you know. Because that's what we are doing here, isn't it? We are not in some boring classroom where you have to sit quietly and just listen. No. Here, we are just having a friendly conversation. So tell me one thing, how many of you feel nervous when you have to speak in English? Be honest, I'm sure many of you are nodding your heads right now, saying, yes, that's me. And you know what? That's completely okay. That's absolutely normal. But here's the thing I want to tell you today, speaking English is not as difficult as we think it is. Really, I'm telling you. We just make it complicated in our minds. We worry too much about making mistakes, we worry about what others will think, we worry about our accent, our grammar, everything. But actually, communication is the most important thing. If the other person understands what you are trying to say, then your job is done. Simple as that. Now, let me tell you why I decided to make this video today. You see, I have received so many messages from people just like you. People who tell me, I can read English newspapers, I can write emails, but when it comes to speaking, I just cannot do it properly. Does this sound familiar to you? Yes, I thought so. So today, what I'm going to do is very simple. I'm going to help you practice speaking English in a very natural and easy way. No complicated grammar rules, no difficult vocabulary, nothing like that. Just simple, everyday English that you can use in your daily life. And I want to tell you one more important thing before we continue. Please don't worry about your accent. Your Indian accent is not a problem at all. Let me repeat that, your accent is not a problem. English is a global language now. It's spoken by people from so many different countries, and everyone has their own accent. So why should we feel bad about our Indian accent? We should be proud of who we are. The main thing is clarity. If you are speaking clearly, if your pronunciation is correct enough that people can understand you, then that's all you need. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, but what if I make mistakes? Listen to me carefully, making mistakes is part of learning. Even native English speakers make mistakes sometimes. It's completely human. When you were learning to ride a bicycle, did you ride perfectly on the first day? No, right. You fell down many times, but you kept trying. Learning English is exactly the same. And here's what I want you to do while watching this video. Don't just watch silently. I want you to participate actively. When I say something, try to repeat it after me. Move your lips, use your tongue, make the sounds. This practice is very important. Okay, so let me tell you quickly what we are going to cover today. We are going to talk about how to introduce yourself confidently, how to start conversations with people, and how to speak without too much hesitation. These are very practical things that will help you in real life situations. Before we move ahead, if you are finding this video helpful so far, please do click the like button. It really helps me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing because we regularly post useful content for English learners like you. Alright then, now it's time to actually start with the main content. I can see you all are ready and excited to learn. So without wasting any more time, let's begin this journey together. Are you ready? Chalo, let's start. Asterisk, intro end. Asterisk, outro, script start. Alright everyone, so that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this session helpful and that you learned something useful that you can apply in your daily conversations. You know, the most important thing I want you to remember from today is this: practice, and practice. There is no shortcut to improving your English speaking. You have to speak regularly, even if it's just for 5 minutes a day. Talk to yourself in the mirror, talk to your friends, record your voice and listen to it. Every little bit of practice counts, believe me. And please, don't be too hard on yourself. Be patient with your progress. Learning a language takes time, and everyone moves at their own pace. Some people learn faster, some take more time, and both are absolutely fine. The important thing is that you keep moving forward, you keep trying, and you never give up. Now, before I say goodbye, I want to ask you something. Did you enjoy this video? Did you find it useful? If yes, then please show your support by hitting that like button. It takes just 1 second, but it really motivates me to create more content like this for you all. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we upload a new video. We post regular content on English speaking, grammar tips, vocabulary building, and so much more. It's all free, and it's all designed to help you become a confident English speaker. Also, I would absolutely love to hear from you in the comments section. Tell me, what did you learn today? What was the most useful tip for you? And what kind of videos would you like to see next? Should we do more speaking practice? Pronunciation tips, common mistakes to avoid? Let me know. Your feedback is very valuable to me, and it helps me understand what you need. And if you have any doubts or questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I try my best to reply to as many comments as possible. Remember, there is no such thing as a stupid question. If you have a doubt, ask it. That's how we learn and grow together. One more thing before I go, please share this video with your friends, your family members, your colleagues, anyone who is trying to improve their English. Let's help each other grow. Let's create a community of learners who support and motivate each other. So that's it from my side for today. Thank you so much for watching till the end. It really means a lot that you stayed with me throughout this video. I'll see you all very soon in the next video with more exciting content and useful tips. Till then, keep practicing, keep speaking, and most importantly, keep believing in yourself. You can do this. I have full faith in you. Take care, stay safe, and stay happy. Goodbye. Bye-bye.